Bed frame is set, side tables next to the bed, unrolling the rug now. Lamps and art are up, looks good, all set, closing up.